we are reading the story The Child. Today we will conclude the story. We have read in the story that there is a servant Gangu at narrator's home. He leaves his job because he wants to marry Gomti Devi. He marries her, and after their marriage, Gomti Devi leaves Gangu. And narrator is feeling a strange kind of pleasure by hearing this news that Gomti Devi had left Gangu. And the reason behind this thing that narrator gave warning to Gangu before their marriage that he should not marry this kind of lady. Narrator goes to Nainital, and when he comes back after 1 month, what he finds that Gangu is standing in front of him and he is having a small baby in his hand. Narrator asks from Gangu, he said, "Tell me, great man, did you get some news of Gomti Devi? You had gone away to trace her." कि मुझे बताओ कि क्या तुम्हें गोमती देवी की कोई न्यूज़ मिली? तुम उसे ढूंढने वाले थे. Gangu burst out, "Yes, Babuji. With your blessings, I have brought her back. She was found in a hospital in Lucknow. She had confided her whereabouts to one of her female friends here. The moment I came to know, I rushed to Lucknow and dragged her back. And I got this baby over and above." Then Gangu tells that with your blessings, कि आपके आशीर्वाद से मैं उसे वापस ले आया हूँ. वो लखनऊ के किसी हॉस्पिटल में थी और जैसे ही मुझे पता चला तो मैं लखनऊ गया और उसे वापस ले आया और साथ ही मुझे ये बच्चा भी मिला. He lifted the baby and brought it in full view of me, like a sportsman proudly displaying his medal. उसने बच्चे को उठाया और मेरे सामने उस बच्चे को ऐसे दिखाया जैसे कि कोई स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन जो है प्राउड के साथ अपने मेडल को डिस्प्ले करता है. I remarked mockingly, "Very fine. You got this boy too. Perhaps that is why she had run away. Is he your son? शायद वो इसी वजह से भागी थी. क्या वह तुम्हारा बेटा है? Why mine, बाबूजी? He is yours, God's. ये आपका बच्चा है, भगवान का बच्चा है. Was he born in Lucknow? Yes, बाबूजी. He is just a month old. ये 1 महीने का है. How long have you been married? This is the 7th month. So he was born in the 6th month of your marriage. इसका मतलब आपकी शादी के 6 महीने के बाद इसका जन्म हुआ. What else? And even then he is yours. और तो भी तुम कह रहे हो ये तुम्हारा है. Yes. You are talking nonsense. I'm not sure whether he understand what I was trying to say, but he replied out in plain innocence. मैं श्योर नहीं था कि क्या गंगू समझ पा रहा है जो मैं उसे कहना चाहता हूँ. एंड ही रिप्लाइड आउट ऑफ प्लेन इनोसेंस, और उसने मासूमियत के साथ जवाब दिया, "बाबूजी, शी नियरली डाइड गिविंग हिम बर्थ. शी हैड गॉट ए न्यू लाइफ. शी स्ट्रगल्ड बिटवीन लाइफ एंड डेथ फॉर 3 days and 3 nights. I taunted him. This is the first time I hear that a baby can be born after 6 months of marriage." The arrow had hit the target. अब शायद गंगू को बात समझ आई. He smiled and said, उसने कहा, "Oh, it's that. I didn't even think of it. That is why गोमती had run away." और शायद तभी गोमती चली गई थी. He continued, "I said, Gomti, if you don't like me, you can leave me. I shall go away and never trouble you again." उसने अपनी बात आगे गंगू ने जारी रखी. उसने कहा कि मैंने गोमती देवी से कहा कि अगर तुम मुझे पसंद नहीं करती मुझे छोड़ सकती हो. मैं चला जाऊंगा और तुम्हें कभी परेशान नहीं करूंगा. इफ़ यू एवर नीड माई हेल्प, राइट टू मी एंड आई शैल डू एवरीथिंग आई कैन. और जब कभी भी तुम्हें मेरी ज़रूरत हो तो मुझे लिखना और मैं तुम्हारे लिए कुछ भी करूँगा जो मैं कर सकूँगा. आई हैव नो रिसेंटमेंट अगेंस्ट यू. तुम्हारे खिलाफ मेरे दिल में कोई रिसेंटमेंट, कोई नाराज़गी नहीं है. इन माई आईज यू आर स्टिल एज गुड एज यू वर बिफोर. आज भी तुम मेरी आँख में उतनी ही अच्छी हो जितनी कि पहले थी. आई लव यू एज बिफोर. नो, नाउ आई लव यू इवन मोर. एंड इफ़ यू हैव नॉट टर्न अवे फ्रॉम मी then come with me. Gangu would never be unfaithful to you. I married you not because you are a goddess, but because I loved you and believed you also loved me. This child is my child, my own child. I took a sown field. Should I then disown the harvest just because someone else had sown it? These lines give a message of the story. The message that narrator or the author wants to convey by this story. We can understand that message from these lines. Gangu says to Gomti Devi that this child is my child, कि ये बच्चा मेरा बच्चा है, my own child. I took a sown field, कि मैंने एक बोया हुआ खेत लिया. Should I then disown the harvest? तो क्या मैं उस फसल को इसलिए छोड़ दूंगा क्योंकि किसी और ने उस फसल को बोया है. Saying this, गंगू burst out into a loud laughter. ऐसा कहते ही गंगू जोर से हंसने लगा. I forgot to change my dress. Narrator says that he forgets to change his dress. I don't know why, but my eyes were filled with tears, and his eyes are filled with tears. I don't know the power that crushed my revulsion and made me open my arms. I took that immaculate child in my lap and kissed his face with affection that perhaps I had not shown even for my own children. और नरेटर ने उस बच्चे को गोद में लिया, उसे प्यार किया. इतना अफेक्शन उसने उस बच्चे के प्रति दिखाया जितना शायद उसने कभी अपने खुद के बच्चों के प्रति भी नहीं दिखाया होगा. Gangu said, Babuji, you are such a good human being. I have always sung your praises before Gomti. I keep telling her to come and meet you, but she doesn't come out of shyness. गंगू ने कहा कि बाबूजी आप बहुत अच्छे आदमी हैं. मैं आपकी प्रशंसा हमेशा गोमती देवी के सामने करता हूँ और मैंने उसे कहा भी कि वो आए और आपसे मिले, लेकिन वो बहुत शाई है. नाउ नरेटर सेज, आई ए गुड ह्यूमन बींग, मैं और एक अच्छा आदमी. द विनीर ऑफ गुडनेस वॉज गोन टूडे. आई स्पोक टू हिम विद ए हार्ट फुल ऑफ डिवोशन. पूरे समर्पण के साथ मैं उससे बात कर रहा था. नो, वाई शुड शी कम टू मीट ए ब्लैक हार्टेड पर्सन लाइक मी. मेरे जैसे ब्लैक हार्टेड पर्सन से आकर वो क्यों मिलेगी. कम, टेक मी टू मीट हर. मुझे उससे मिलने के लिए ले चलो. यू से आई एम ए गुड पर्सन. नो, आई एम गुड ओनली फ्रॉम आउटसाइड बट वेरी मीन फ्रॉम इनसाइड. इट इज़ यू हु इज़ ट्रूली गुड. तुम सच में अच्छे हो. एंड दिस बेबी इज़ ए फ्लावर दैट रेडिएट्स द फ्रेग्रेंस ऑफ योर गुडनेस. और ये बच्चा वो फूल है जो तुम्हारी अच्छाई की फ्रेग्रेंस को फैला रहा है. आई एम्ब्रेस द बेबी एंड वॉकड अलॉन्गसाइड गंगू. मैंने बच्चे को गले से लगाया और गंगू के साथ चलने लगा. So this story contains various issues of Indian society and psychological aspects of Indian mindset. The story starts with an introduction of an illiterate Brahmin servant, Gangu, who thinks he is the superior among all the servants because he is Brahmin. The owner of the house is the narrator of the story, and he could be Premchand himself. The rigid mentality of Gangu irritates his master again and again, but he is not much affected with this kind of behavior. One day, Gangu confesses his love towards a widow named Gomti Devi, and he also marries Gomti, who has betrayed 3 husbands before her marriage with Gangu. Gomti gave birth to a child, a baby boy, just after 6 months of her marriage with Gangu, and Gangu accepted that child as if that was his own child. The interesting part of this story is change in the psychology of characters. First, Gangu was a rigid Brahmin and was not allowing anyone to disrespect him. But when he falls in love with Gomti, he forgets everything and marries her. On the other hand, the master, who was not interested in caste system, he was against that marriage, and he was happy when Gomti ran away and left Gangu. Even when Gangu has shown his child to him, he was taunting Gangu about this child's birth just in 6 months. At the end, Master has realized that what he was doing was not appropriate because he was an educated man and a writer, but he learned a lot from an illiterate Gangu. And then he apologized Gangu and went to meet Gomti. This story contains Indian society and culture very minutely. We can read and observe that Gangu is an illiterate Brahmin, but though he has proud upon his caste as Brahmin. Gomti is a widow, and remarriage of widows was a general practice, and the afterlife of widow and exploitation is also mentioned in the story. Issues of poverty in Gangu's life and his social life is also important in the story. The child is a symbol of love between Gomti Devi and Gangu, as well as a symbol of awareness on the part of a reader or on the part of narrator. Thank you.